Okay, here we have a 2007 A01 PS3, backwards compatible. Yeah, I got this PS3, was working fine, but it would overheat, sound like a jet engine, and I sent it out to get repaired. I got a Delid, new thermal paste, and I got the NEC/TOKIN capacitors replaced. I got it back yesterday. It ran fine for about 20 minutes, and while it was on, it decided to give itself the yellow light of death and then boot down. And now, well, let's try it out. And yeah, now it just throws the yellow light of death. So even with delidding, applying new thermal compound, and replacing the token capacitors, uh, this PS3 is still fucking done for. So I don't believe that replacing the capacitors and the thermal paste is the 100% solution for this. Anyway, peace out.